video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a Oriental-Temple house into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click on this download button and download the MLO. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the MLO which we have installed into our FiveM server, as you can see. And this is the location in the map over here. Now let's get inside the MLO. So this is the first look of the MLO over here. Let's go over here. You can see good view and two big dragons from here. And there is a room over here, as you can see. And this is the boss room, or we can see the manager's room over here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.